Hi everybody, it's Misha Daniel for Innovative Learning, and I'm here to talk to you today about creating your recovery stick to make StreamBooks. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to the website and download the 64-bit version of the software. And I would suggest doing this after you've made one of your StreamBooks, because you're going to want to create this on a StreamBook. It's easier that way, and it seems to work better. So I've made this particular model into a StreamBook, and now I'm going to use this to create my recovery stick. So I've downloaded the software. So first thing I need to do is I need to get the software ready, because I know that it is on this StreamBook, but I need to get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my magnifying glass here, and I'm going to go into my files, because I know that's where everything gets downloaded. And here it goes. We're going to open up into the files. Give it a second. Here we go. And you'll see here it says cloud free ready right here, the free version. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And now it's right here. And here is actually the file, this Chromium file right here. So what I want to do is I want to take this 5 gigabyte file and I want to put it back into the downloads because it's not there. So I grab it and I'm going to put it right back into the downloads. And if you look down here, it's going to tell me how long, it's going to give me like a little estimate of as it's moving along, how long it's going to take. And it's going to take a little while. I'm going to tell you that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this. And when it is finished, I will go to part 2. This could take anywhere from 5 minutes. It can take it as long as 15 minutes. So I'm just letting you know that this is like the hardest part of creating a StreamBook, is creating these sticks. After the first one, they get easier, but it's just that first initial stick. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this out, and we're back. It took about 5 minutes to download the software or to get it into my downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you again. Here's my files, and you will see now that I have the Cloud Ready zip, but right next to it I have the Chromium, and that's actually the image that we're going to use to make the recovery disk. Now let's talk about these sticks here. You probably want to try to use a 3.0. They're going to be a lot quicker. It's going to take you a lot less time to do. The ones you definitely want to stay away from are the white ones like this. These will take you forever, and you're going to want to pull your hair out. So you don't want to use one like this. So here we go. To make this stick now, I have to go into the apps that's in Chrome and either download the recovery app. I already have it, but you go to the web store, you type in recovery to search for it, and it's got a little wrench. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my apps here so we can see it. So go here in my apps, and it is right here. It's got a little wrench. It's called recovery. It's going to come up here in just a second. All right, here we go. We're ready to make our media. First thing we want to do is we want to go up here to the corner where the little gear wheel is, and we want to use a local image. This is where we're going to get that file that we just put back into the downloads. We kind of opened it up. Now it's looking on the device for it. It's looking in the downloads. Up there it is. So this is the one we want to use. Open. There we go. All right. So now it says, wait, you got to put a flash drive in. So I'm going to go ahead and put a flash drive in. Here we go. And that's going to read my flash drive. Select the media, and I'm going to click continue. And it's going to tell me how long it's going to take to create this one here. Sometimes I said it's like 5 minutes. Sometimes it can be 10. And depending on the type of flash drive you have, it can be as long as 20 minutes. This one shows it's going to be about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just let it run. And while it's running, I'm going to go ahead and exit again, pause here, and then we will be back once it's finished. As you can see, we just finished making the USB drive, and now if I want to make another one, I just click on the button to make another one, or I just click finish, and that's it. It took about 5 minutes. It said it was going to take about 10, but it actually only took about 5 minutes to do. And that's all there is to it to make a recovery disk. So hope you are able to make those for your campus so you can make your HB streams into StreamBooks.